I was opportunity to attend a leadership academy where we were trained on the 7 habits of highly effective people. And I realized that every one of us, our habits are things we acquire. They are things we learn. They are patterns in our lives. You know, I meet people every day and I hear people say, I don't like how I'm behaving. I don't like how this other person is behaving. None of us were giving birth to with those habits. You know, so habits are things we acquire. And we looked at the 7 habits. I looked at habit 1 and 2. And habit 1 says that you need to be proactive. And we looked at what does it mean to be proactive? That you are in a place proactive. You are in a place where you're taking responsibility. You know, and some of these things we're learning here, they are not just applicable to us in Avenues to Wealth, but they're also applicable to us. We can use them in other areas of our life. You know, so you need to be proactive. You need to learn to take responsibility. You need to step up. Matthew spoke about leadership. If you're taking responsibility, that means I'm not waiting for somebody. I'm not waiting for somebody. Things don't happen. Things don't happen on us. So if you need to be proactive, you need to take responsibility and move your business to the next step. You know, we hear people every day complain, somebody lure me into joining Avenues to Wealth, and then the person disappeared. Now, I like sharing my story because I joined Avenues to Wealth. The person who introduced me to Avenues to Wealth wasn't even there at the training. It was Matthew Abolorin that signed me up on his behalf. And after that day, nobody showed me how to open the privilege pack. I wasn't privileged to be in a meeting like this where we were talking about the privilege pack. For 2 nights, I wasn't sleeping. I sat down and I was learning. I went to my distributor's area. For me, the business pack is the best thing that's happened to us in Avenues to Wealth. I was sharing with CM this morning that me and my husband, we paid 1 school fees. It cost us ₦1 million. We went on board a particular store, and for us to have access to a business pack, we paid 100 and something thousand each for a year. And I said, our people don't understand that this business pack, please put your hands together for Avenues to Wealth. For giving us a business pack. You don't need to pay 100 and something thousand to have a business pack. I sat down, I went through everything. And by the time it was as if I went to school, I was proactive. I wasn't looking for somebody to blame. I took responsibility. I wanted to make my business grow, you know. And I was very consistent. I didn't wait for somebody to ask me to get a meeting venue. But I sat down and I said, these people that want to sponsor, I want to train, I need somewhere where we can all meet together and we can, sharpen ourselves. So we started, we put together a place, and I called the person who signed me up. I said, see, I'm inviting you. My platinum, you guys should come and speak for us. And that was how it started. Today, if you travel to Jos, if you come to Jos, you assume that my office is Avenues to Wealth office in the north. Why? Because I decided to be proactive. Secondly, as we're joining, the second habit, is beginning with the end in mind. What is your why for joining Avenues to Wealth? Why do you want to join Avenues to Wealth? We usually say in this business that if your why is big enough, your how, it will show up. What is, for those of you who are coming here for the first time today, your privilege, that you're hearing this information, you are starting on a good ground. You are starting on a level ground. So if you begin with your end in mind, you want to know how far do I want to get. I shared with us, and I said that when I joined Avenues to Wealth, my goal was that I want to be a platinum. I became gold in 1 month. And I said, I want to be a platinum. And then suddenly I got closer to the platinum. And I realized that platinumship is not the peak. There's a global GPP called a global platinum. That cabal. That have to shift level. So we need to start with the end in mind. You need to know your why. Thank you very much.